We've got a north-south split. In the north it's going to be rather wet today and fresher as well. After a cloudy start for some of us in the south, it's going to be a hot and sunny day, possibly the hottest day of the year so far. I'll have more details in about 20 minutes.
Carol, thank you.
Could indeed happen, Charlie. In fact, this morning it is lovely and warm here in the southeast already. You can see the view from the top of Broadcasting House all the way down Regent Street. The sky is blue. Now, this isn't the case everywhere this morning. We've got a lot of cloud across England and Wales with some hill and some coastal fog today, and most of England and Wales will have a hot and a humid day. Whereas for Scotland and Northern Ireland, what you've got is rain. Now, that rain will be heavy at times through the day, and when it stops raining there'll be a lot of cloud, and then it's going to start raining again, and as a result it will feel that bit cooler. So if we have a look at what's happening in Scotland first of all this morning, you can see the extent of the rain. Temperatures just around about the mid-teens at this stage. There's also some rain across Cumbria, fringing in towards Newcastle. 9 o'clock in the morning is what we're looking at. Then you can see all the cloud as we push further south until we get into East Anglia, the far southeastern corner, and heading over by 9 o'clock to the South Midlands and Dorset. That's where we'll have the sun. But as we drift into the southwest, still a lot of cloud around, some coastal mist, some hill fog, and for Wales too, around Pembrokeshire, Snowdonia, we've got the hill fog and the coastal fog. Inland, still quite a bit of cloud at this time. Then sweeping across the Irish Sea into Northern Ireland, it's still going to be raining, and the rain for you will be on and off through the day, and at times it will be heavy. So some tricky travelling conditions and all of that, with a lot of surface water and spray around. Now, the cloud will break at different times through the day across England and Wales. First of all, through the Midlands into the southwest, though we could hang on to some of that coastal mist and fog, and then eventually later on in the day into the north of England. So it's looking set fair for the Ashes this afternoon. If you're going to the Edinburgh Festival, make sure you bring your brolly though. Temperature we could have 32, possibly a bit higher than that in parts of the southeast, around the London area, North Kent, East Norfolk and Suffolk, and around the Cambridgeshire area, those favoured for that. Through this evening and overnight, it remains largely dry for many of us. Again, showers coming in to the north and the west. By the end of the night, we could have some coming in across the Isle of Wight, in through parts of southern and central parts of England as well. They could prove to be thundery in nature, and it's going to be another sticky night for many of us. So tomorrow, well, really, in short, it's going to be a mixture of sunshine and showers. Some of the showers will be heavy, but in between them there'll be some decent spells of sunshine, or at worst bright spells. Tomorrow you'll notice the temperature starting to come down a touch, especially so in the west. It will still be hot, but not as hot in the southeast. And then as we head on into the weekend, once again it's that mixture of sunshine and showers, and temperatures closer to what we'd expect at this time of the year. Charlie and Louise.
Oh, thanks very much, Carol. We just had a couple of problems with your sound, but we heard most of it. Thank you very much. We know it's going to be the hottest day of the year for some of us, at least. Thank you.